Welcome back, chemistry fans. Today we are going to be talking about day 31 of your chemistry course. This is the last day before you will take an exam next week on Monday. So I would like for you to learn about the fifth and final type of nomenclature. This is all about the acids. Okay, so if you haven't yet, find your way into, please, the daily agenda on Canvas. When you are there, you can see today's objective. Yes, it is to learn how to name an acid molecule. There are 3 different ways in which you can name them. There's a fabulous little video here that will be incorporated into it. Don't click on the whiteboard link because I'm not there to give you feedback. So you're just going to go straight into the warm-up and I will guide you through this. I will have a video solution for these here in just a brief moment. It will be posted underneath so you can check your own work of this one. And then, and it's a comprehensive review. It has all of the previous 4 types. If at any point, let me go back to this. This is important. If at any point you are missing questions on this warm-up, that's because you're not prepared. You haven't practiced enough. You don't know how to name the compounds. There is going to be one of every single type of nomenclature. There's going to be one where you have to name it. There's one where you have to write the formula. There are 5 types. If you're doing the math, that's at least 10 problems that you have. Some of these nomenclature styles have more than one possible method with them. So you're going to have a lot of opportunity to show me that you have mastered this content. Please make sure that you follow my last steps about doing the practice afterwards. Okay, so again, here is your agenda. Here is your calendar you can click on. You will notice that we are taking our exam on the 13th. That is Monday. So make certain that you have your materials ready, your notes, your laboratories, which are mostly the DICE activities that we have been doing, as well as the practice for the exam, which I'm going to show you where that is. If we are looking at a countdown, you were talking about 34% done. Oh my goodness, next week we have another half day coming up, so it's not going to be too bad. If you haven't yet paid, please make sure that you are finding your way onto this list of the good people who have made their payments, reimbursing the school for the t-shirts that we have bought, and not for the people who are still on the list. That's a boo-boo. We want to give back to the school for a great opportunity to do a tie-dye activity. All right, don't forget, watch the video here. This is topic 5, unit 5, topic 6, and this is dealing with the 5th version of nomenclature, all about the acids. Be sure that you're watching it. There are some very, very tricky aspects of this one. It's not as straightforward as the other ones because there are 3 different ways in which you can name an acid. Don't forget that what you are going to be doing is you're going to get your dice out, which I will have left with the substitute. And this time we are going to be getting out the 3 pink dice. You're going to be getting out the 3 pink dice, and you're going to be getting out, oh, let's see, let's do an orange, a blue, and a red. Let's do an orange, a blue, and a red. Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. Orange, blue, and red. So orange, blue, and red. Let me see if I can get those in front of the camera. Orange, blue, and red, as well as 3 pinks. Each one of these will make a fabulous acid for you. And then once you are done with that activity, come down here, do your homework. Notice that there are lots of practice problems to get you started on the 3 different ways in which you name acids. One for each. There's one that you name the formula, and there's one that you write the formula for it. So we've got going both ways. Now, here is where I'm going to encourage you to do your due diligence. Since you have extra time, I'm not there bothering you. Make sure that you are engaging yourself with these practice problems. Click on that link and go in through here and start doing these practice problems. Because if you don't do some of these practice problems before the exam and you do poorly on the exam, you're going to want to do some corrections on the exam. To do the corrections on the exam, you have to do the worksheets. And that's a lot of work. So you want to make sure that you know the content beforehand so you can avoid having to do all of the worksheets later, because you will have to do all of the worksheets to get your full credit for the unit exam. Okay, this is everything that I hope to accomplish today. Even though I'm not there, I hope that you accomplished today. So thank you very much, and I will talk with you again soon. Take care. Be busy.